it is time to take this 5300 BTU Emerson Kool apart. This is the one that I just got recently with the Sanyo compressor. Needs to be cleaned. I'm going to take off the covers. The front cover comes off pretty easily on these, it just clips on. And then of course we just got our screws all around on the cover. A couple on the back that have to come off. And on this side, I think the ones that hold the top window rail also have to come off. So let's start taking some of these out. Alright, got all the screws out except for the ones holding this rail on. These have to come out as well. Alright, there is the Sanyo compressor. I knew it was a Sanyo just by looking at the top of it, but now it is confirmed that receiver dryer is very small. It's interesting. The condenser coil actually doesn't look too bad. It's going to be hard to see on camera, but not very dirty. I'm going to have to loosen this shroud, possibly take it off completely. One thing that's interesting with this one is it has a paddle style fan blade on the inside rather than a squirrel cage blower. Alright, I cleaned the condenser coil off. I just sprayed downward at the coil and sprayed all the dust off of it so it's nice and clean. I sprayed out the bottom and I tipped it over so I could get all that crap out of there. It's nice and clean. One thing that's unique about this that I didn't notice right away is there is no slinger ring on the condenser fan. So it's kind of weird. Okay, I got it all put back together. Good airflow through there. Very good airflow.